P4 to 7. Welcome to week 4 of online CLIC. Today we are going to be doing all the usual things. However, I'm going to try something different with your Learn It's questions, because now that we've kind of warmed back up and got into the swing of things, I'd like you to do it timed, just like we do in class. So today we will bring up a picture of your full Learn It test, and I'll have a little timer playing down in the corner or in the background, and you're going to see if you can get all your answers written down before that timer rings, okay? And then later on we are going to be looking at division. Now I know that that's a tricky area for lots of you, so this will be really useful, and you can go back and watch this as many times as you need to practice your division skills, okay? Looking forward to it. I will see you all in IXL soon. Get your pencil and paper ready and let's get started. Alright, Learn It time. You'll need your paper and pencil just like usual, but what you're going to see this time are all of your questions, just like the sheet that you get in class, and a little timer playing with exactly the right amount of time for your group, okay? Have a go. You only need to write the answers, so you'll be looking at the question and jotting your answer down on your paper, alright? And then we will mark them at the end. Good luck. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's time for some answers, but remember you're doing it at home, so if you think actually I need to go back and have another try, then you can do that, that's alright, don't panic. If you want to rewind the video, you can have another shot, you can go back and try some of the ones you didn't get. If you think you're ready to mark it, then let's do that together now. Last week we were multiplying, and in order to help us with that, we were creating sets of numbers. So for example, 3 times 4, we drew out 3 sets with 4 things in each one to find the total. Today we're going to be working backwards because we are dividing. So we are going to start with the large number that we need to share out. We are going to put those items into equal sets to help find our answer. So for the first question here, it says that Gordon has 30 cakes. He wants to put 6 cakes on each plate. How many plates would he need? So the calculation here that it's asking us to do is 30 divided by 6. Now, we haven't learned our 6 times table yet, but we can solve this by drawing it out, making a diagram and counting. Okay, so here you can see 30 cakes, and it's told me that he wants 6 cakes on each plate. So when I press make a group, here's 6 cakes, here's 6 cakes, here's 6 cakes, here's 6 cakes, here's 6 cakes. I've taken the 30 cakes, I have put 6 in each group because it was asking us to do 30 divided by 6. Our answer will be the number of groups that we've made, so count them up just now. How many sets have we made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's another one for us to look at together. This time Gordon has 10 cakes and he wants to put 2 cakes on each plate. So the calculation here is 10 divided by 2. I want to make groups of 2. Okay, so let's look as we make the groups of 2. Here's 2, another 2, another 2, another 2, and another 2. Okay, all of the cakes have been put into groups of 2 because we were being asked to divide by 2. How many groups have we made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. One more example then. Gordon has 8 cakes this time. He wants to put 4 cakes on each plate. How many plates will he need? So the calculation is 8, that's how many we have altogether, divided by 4. So we have to make groups of 4 to find our answer. Here's a group of 4. Here's a group of 4. How many plates did we need? 1, 2. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. We're going to try 3 questions now, and you will need your pencil and your paper to help solve them. We'll talk through them together, so there'll be no timer. We will just do them as a team. So for this first question, it says that there are 6 balloons put into bunches of 3. So what I want you to do on your paper is to draw out, first of all, the 6 balloons up the top, okay? So sketch your 6 balloons up the top. Then I want you underneath to draw a bunch with 3 balloons in it. 1, 2, 3. And you can cross out 3 balloons from the top to show that you've used them up. Okay, so cross those balloons away. There's still another 3 balloons to bunch, so underneath let's create another bunch of 3. 1, 2, 3. And you can cross away your balloons from the top that you've used up. Cross, cross, cross. Okay, have a little look. How many groups have you made? How many groups of 3 have you made there? That will give you your answer to 6 divided by 3. Let's try another one. This time, up the top of your page, I want you to quickly sketch out your 20 balloons. Okay, so take a little minute to roughly mark out your 20 balloons. That will help you to keep count. Or if you've got 20 counters, 20 bricks, 20 anything in your house, you could use those as your balloons just now. Once you have your 20 markers, you're ready to start grouping. So we are going to put a bunch of 5 balloons underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can cross out 5 of your balloons from the top. Repeat that, so let's make another group of 5 and cross out 5 balloons from the top. Keep going until all of your balloons are crossed out. How many groups did you make? How many bunches of 5 do you have underneath? One more for you to try. This time there are 30 balloons, okay? 30 balloons. So can you either start to draw your 30 balloons at the top or find yourself 30 counters or pegs or dominoes, whatever you've got 30 of. Once you're ready, you need to start putting them into bunches of 5. So underneath, draw a little bunch with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you can get rid of 5 from your list at the top. You can score them out. Keep going until all of your balloons have been put into bunches of 5. How many bunches have you made? Okay, let's answer another one. So if there are 6 balloons and they want us to put them into bunches of 3, how many bunches of balloons will there be? So let's put 3 balloons in the first group, 3 balloons in the second group. I've used them all up. There are 2 groups of 3. 6 divided by 3, so 6 balloons into groups of 3 equals 2. This time there were 20 balloons and we had to put them into bunches of 5. So the first group you drew out should have 5 in it. Then we need 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You've used up all 20 balloons. They are in groups of 5. How many bunches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Okay, let's try and find the answer. So this question had 30 balloons and we wanted to put them into bunches of 5. So let's put 5 balloons together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You've now drawn 30 balloons. How many bunches of balloons were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Next up, it's our IXL practice. Now today you need to find year 3 and the game is DD2. Okay, not just section D, but DD. You'll find it probably towards the end of the list. And this is a chance for you to practice exactly what we've been doing. You will see a model drawn out with sets, with items inside the sets. You need to read the sentences, put down the number of dots, and then turn that into a division sum. Okay, I'll be playing along and watching live as always. Good luck. well done everybody. CLIC is over for another week. I now need you to go and have a wee look at your assignment. So today, as always, you have your CLIC test. Now, a couple of people have spoken to me about not being able to print those out, and that is absolutely fine. I don't expect anyone to be printing them. You only need to copy out your answers into the same sort of pattern, if you like, as the worksheet, and I'll be able to figure out which question is which. All right, do not worry about printing things out, not a problem. So you have your CLIC to do, and you've got a division task to try as well. Okay, make sure you take a nice clear photo of both of those, upload them both to the assignment and submit it so that I can give you some feedback. All right, well done everybody, and I will see you next time. Bye.